Hi, this video is going to show you how to use the AMR editor for the very first time. From the AMR website here, you might want to go to the editor page and click on this AMR editor link. Alternatively, you can directly go there to the URL amr.isi.edu editor. And now you have two options. You can either log in if you already have that, or you can just use the AMR editor as a guest, in which case you do not need a password. Okay, so I can then just kind of play around a little bit. I might say, top watch, and the frame for to watch is arc0 is the observer, arc1 the thing looked at. I can maybe say arc1, I'm watching a video like that. You can explore that with these buttons over here. But normally you would start out after you have maybe received an email with a password link for the AMR editor to click on that, and that will lead you to an AMR editor password page. And you now select the password you would like to have, type it in again, use something that's long enough and complex enough, submit that, gets encrypted. Okay, successful, and now we can proceed to our login. And now I'm not going to log in under my usual username, but as the test user with a new password that I just selected. Let's see whether that works. Yes, success over here, and now I can annotate things in this play space. But normally what we would do is we would go and load a sentence from a work set. So I click on load. The annotator field is already filled in. I can either type in the name of a work set like tutorial, or I can just kind of leave that blank and click here, and then from the menu select a work set by clicking, for example, the most meaningful choice. So I get to the first sentence over here, and now I use the editor to type in my very first sentence. So I might say top want, because want is the top semantic element, and then I look at the frame for want, and the wanter is arc0, arc1 is the thing wanted. So select that. This becomes want01. So the wanter is a boy. The thing wanted is a believing. Again, there's a frame to select with the same argument structure. The person to believe is the girl. And now, as a novice annotator, I might naively say that it's the boy who is to be believed. And that's not quite what we'll see later on, but let's just suppose we make a little mistake here. We save our work using the save button over here. Okay, so now it's being saved in the workspace, and now we can do a diff consensus. So for all the tutorial sentences, there's a model solution available here on consensus, and we get a visualized difference. And sure enough, it will say that the match is not perfect. We typed in boy over here. In the model solution, there's a b that refers to this variable over here. So let's close that window, and we'll just kind of delete what we did over here and type in the correct b referring to this boy over here. And then we save it, and if we just then want to move on to the next sentence, we click on this button over here, which brings us to the next one. There's a sentence menu available over here, so you can look at all the different sentences in this work set. Green means we've just done it, black means it hasn't been annotated yet, and so we can maybe skip through sentence number 5. Once we've done a few, if we're interested, we can export those AMRs, clicking here. And then there's different formats it exports to, and so one simple format as this one over here, and you can then save that onto your own computer if you're interested in. So this concludes our introduction video. Thank you very much for your interest. Bye-bye.